Now let's focus on the sophisticated calculation happening in this dictionary value assignment here, where we've got confidence, spec, sensitivity multiplied by entity, manifestation, stability. This demonstrates how to perform calculations directly within dictionary value assignments, combining data from multiple different dictionaries and storing the result directly into your data structures. Let's break down this mathematical expression. Spec sensitivity accesses the sensitivity rating from our current equipment specification dictionary, and it might be 0.85 representing 85% sensitivity. Entity manifestation stability accesses the stability rating from our entity dictionary. This could be 0.73, representing how stable this 40 entities manifestation is. The asterisk multiplication operator multiplies these two values together, the 0.85 and the 0.73, which would equal 0.62. So confidence, 0.62 would get stored directly as a dictionary value. This is multi-sourced mathematical relationships and data structures. We're combining the equipment's inherent sensitivity with the entity's stability to calculate a confidence score, where our confidence becomes our key, and our score is the value of confidence, right? That reflects both of those other factors. The beauty of this approach is that Python evaluates the entire expression, spec, sensitivity, entity, manifestation, stability first, then stores that calculated result as a dictionary's value. You're not storing the calculation, you're storing the computed result. This mirrors real scientific confidence calculations. In laboratory work, your confidence in a measurement might depend on both your instrument sensitivity and the stability of what you're measuring. A highly sensitive detector measuring an unstable phenomenon gives lower confidence than the same detector measuring something stable. That makes sense. The mathematical relationship becomes embedded directly in your data structure. Each equipment reading includes not just the raw value, but a calculated confidence score that combines equipment capabilities with entity characteristics, creating scientifically meaningful metadata for every measurement.